The second method works similarly to the situation where the A is equal to 1. So we start by first listing our factor pairs for, remember, 2 times negative 20. That one is for both methods. So you have factor pairs here. You multiply the constant by the coefficient of x squared. And you repeat, because it's 2x squared, you repeat 2x squared in both brackets, but you divide it by 2. Because at the end, you need to cross out one of the 2, else when you expand, you have 4x. And all you need to do is select your factor pair to make positive 3. These are the numbers. Slot them each in the bracket. Then look at the bracket and see where you can factor out 2. You can factor out 2 here, but you can factor out 2 there. So when you factor out 2, this is what you have. And the 2 can now cross out, leaving the rest as your answer. So that's the second method. So let's try this one also. Constant times by the coefficient of x squared. Let's your factor pairs. And because it's 3x in one bracket, 3x in the other bracket, divide by 3. Choose the pair to make negative 16. There's this one. Put negative 15 and negative 1 in each of the brackets. Now check where can you factor out 3 so that you can cancel out the denominator of 3. We can factor out 3 here. That's what we have. Cross out the 3. That's what we have left. So that's the answer. Last one. 6 times negative 4. You list the factor pairs of that. That is it. 6x, 6x divided by 6. Factor pairs to make negative 5 is this one, plus 3 minus 8. Now you want to cancel out 6 and you realize that you can factor out 6. So check all of them. Sometimes you can factor multiples of expressions to create the number you want to cancel out. So here we can factor out 6, but you can factor out 3. Here we can factor out 6, but you can factor out 2. So you factor both of them. This will give us the 3. This one will give us the 2. But 2 times 3 is 6, and therefore that allows us to cancel the 6. And we are left with the ones in the bracket, and that's our answer. So it's a matter of convenience. Practice both methods. Choose the one that works for you. Important thing is knowing how to do your factor pairs and how to spot the right pair to make the coefficient of x. The rest will fall in place with constant practice. Next, we're going to look at difference of two squares.